at McDonald's. Questions and answers.
Welcome to McDonald's. How can we help you today?
I'd like to place an order. I have a question about the menu. What's your most popular burger?
Are you interested in our Happy Meal for kids?
Yes, I'll take a Happy Meal. No, I just need a regular meal. What toy options do you have today?
Would you like any dipping sauces with your chicken nuggets?
No sauce, thanks. Can I get ketchup and mustard? Do you have sweet and sour sauce?
Would you like to add extra cheese to your burger?
Yes, please add extra cheese. Can I get a different type of cheese? What kind of cheese do you use?
Is your order to go or for here?
For here, please. It's to go. Takeout order, please.
Would you like any sauce packets?
Some ketchup, please. No sauce, thanks. Surprise me with sauces.
How many sets of utensils do you need?
One set is enough. 2 sets, please. 5 sets, please.
What type of drink would you like with your meal?
I'll have a Coke, please. Can I get a water cup? Is iced coffee available?
Would you like to add any sides or desserts to your order?
I'll have a small fries. Can I get an apple pie? Can I get extra ketchup packets?
Do you have any allergies we should be aware of?
No, I don't have any allergies. Yes, I have a nut allergy. I'm gluten sensitive.
Would you like to upsize your meal for an additional cost?
Yes, I'll upsize to a large meal. No, I'll stick with the regular size. How much does it cost to upsize?
Can I interest you in our coffee or pastries?
Do you have any donuts? What's your specialty coffee? How much is a small coffee?
Do you want your fries with or without salt?
Please add salt. I'd like unsalted fries. Can I get half with salt and half without?
Would you like to try our breakfast burrito with sausage or bacon?
I'll have it with bacon. Sausage, please. Can I get it with both?
You can place an order for dessert.
No dessert for me today. Do you have any pie options? Can I get a soft serve cone? Would you like to make that a combo with a drink and fries?
No, just the sandwich, please. What's the price difference for the combo? Can I get a different drink with the combo?
Do you need any extra napkins?
A few extra, please. No extra napkins, thanks. I'm good with napkins.
Would you like a tray for your order?
Yes, a tray, please. No tray needed, thanks. I'll use a tray.
Are you dining with children today?
Yes, I have kids with me. No, just adults. No, no kids today.
Do you have any specific dietary preferences or restrictions?
I'm a vegetarian. I follow a gluten-free diet. Are there vegan options on the menu?
Are you interested in our breakfast platter with eggs, sausage, and pancakes?
I'll have the breakfast platter. No, I'll stick with a sandwich. Can I get the pancakes with extra syrup?
Would you like to add any extra toppings to your salad?
I'll add grilled chicken. Is avocado an option? Do you have a Caesar salad?
Can I interest you in a dessert bundle with a McFlurry and apple pie?
Yes, I'll have the dessert bundle. Just the McFlurry, please. What other dessert options do you have?
Do you prefer regular or large straws?
Regular straws, please. Large straws, thanks. Any straw is fine.
Would you like any extra condiments?
No extra condiments, thanks. Extra ketchup, please. A packet of mustard, please.
Need a high chair or booster seat?
A booster seat, please. No, we're good. Yes, a high chair.
Are you interested in any of our limited-time dessert options?
No, I'm good with my order. Do you have any seasonal desserts? Are there any dessert promotions today?
Would you like to add a breakfast burrito to your order for only $1 more?
Yes, I'll add the breakfast burrito. No, thanks. Just my original order. What time do you stop serving breakfast?
Would you like your coffee hot or iced?
Iced coffee, please. Hot coffee with cream and sugar. Can I get a caramel iced coffee?
Are you ordering for yourself or a group today?
Just for myself. I'm picking up food for my family. I'm ordering for my office.
Did you like the video? Comment down below. See you in the next video.